1970s, shipwrecks dating back from the southern Song dynasty were uncovered in Quanzhou Bay. The artifacts found in the ship have witnessed prosperous maritime trade in ancient Quanzhou. Let's have a look.
现在我们看到的这一艘是1974年在泉州湾后主港发掘出土的一艘宋代海船模型，它是按照1:20的比例制作而成的，原船长34米，载重量达到200多吨。在宋元时期呢，泉州的海船造船技术是达到了全国的质量之首，其中的船舵、水密隔舱和龙骨结构的技术已经处于世界领先地位。
If you look at the volume of the ceramics from different shipwrecks and also from different land sites, you will see there's a significant number of Chinese ceramics and compared to the others. So that in itself is a very good evidence of the thriving maritime trade between China and the rest of the world, including here in the Philippines. 13th century, most of the ceramics from China comes from Changzhou province, so it's the main port that is sort of the repository of the ceramics from the different areas. They deposited it in the Changzhou and carried onto ships towards different destinations, such as here in the Philippines.